Alejandra, how are you? Today is a super special day. It's my mom's birthday. I'm a little nervous but also very excited.
Hi Rosa, yes or no? How exciting are you really nervous? You look so organized. Tell me, what are you doing right now for the party?
Right now, I'm decorating the living room with balloons and streamers. And I'm also in the kitchen baking the cake. By the way, what do you usually do in your daily routine? I mean on a normal date, not a party like today.
Oh, well, a normal day for me is waking up early. Then I get ready to go to university. And in the evenings, I do my homework. At night, I relax by watching shows or reading a book. What about you? What do you usually do every day?
I also wake up early. I normally wake up, go to work, and study in the afternoon. Also, I usually work out a couple of times a week. Hey, what else are you doing right now for the party?
Right now, I'm influenced more balloons. I think we need a lot for the decoration to look spectacular. And I also think up, but so everything is ready when that gets ready. About the food? Are you cooking anything?
Yes, of course. I'm cooking pasta and chicken for the weddings. The truth is, I love cooking for a special occasion. Do you like how the decorations are looking?
Yes, I love it. It looks so color and careful. Hey, what about your family? Are they helping too? What are your dad or sibling doing right now?
Yes, my dad is outside arranging the chairs in the garden, and my sister is helping to set tables and foods. And what about you? Do you normally help with birthday at your house?
Yes, normally. My sister and I help my mom with the cake and the music. But right now, I dancing with I play music for the party. We meet a good video speak of which at kick of the music do you like?
I like pop music, but today I put on a mix with music from the 80s and 90s. My mom loved its look. The decoration are ready, the food is ready, everything is ready.
That's great. I like how everything is look. Your mom will be so happy.
Yes, let's go say happy birthday to my mom and enjoy the party.
Let's go.